Hi, I'm Marna, and I've been to the Dollar Tree, which I'll tell you, they're getting more and more in. Their toy department has been expanding, and their crafts department has been expanding. They even had crochet hooks the other day. Drop by. I found these, and they are World's Smallest Barbies, I believe. They are the same size. We had something like this when I was a kid that they put on your birthday cake. You know, it'd be in the middle and your candles would be around. And I just thought these were cute. I'm not going to open them. This time I only bought the two. So I'm not going to open them, but I thought they were cute and wanted to give you a heads up to go check your Dollar Tree and see if you can find something like this. Again, they had like, oh gosh, I think they had 5 or 6 or 7 different ones. These were the two I did not have. I think there was a third one, but I didn't care for it. Anyway, check your Dollar Tree. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and would you please subscribe? Thank you.